Google is about to fix a mistake it's been making for years, and almost no one is talking about it. No flashy renders. No dramatic launch teasers, just a quiet internal change that could finally unlock the Pixel's true potential. If this leak is real, the Pixel 11 won't just be better, it'll expose why previous Pixels were never allowed to be great. Welcome back viewers, Sam here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Now listen carefully, because this isn't about cameras, AI tricks, or a new colorway. This is about the one component that decides whether your phone feels smooth or frustrating every single day: connectivity, heat, battery drain. The stuff reviewers hint at, but rarely lead with. And Google may finally be done playing it safe. The Pixel 10 has barely warmed up, and already the Pixel 11 is generating unusually specific leaks. Not vague guesses. Not, could be. Actual hardware pairing details. And they all point toward Google making a move that would have sounded impossible just a year ago: walking away from Samsung's modem tech. For years, Pixel fans defended it. Software optimization will fix it. It's not that bad. Updates will improve it. But every generation told the same story. Amazing photos, clever AI, and then inconsistent signal, unexpected heat, and battery lost the moment 5G got involved. The common denominator never changed. Last year, rumors claimed Google would ditch Samsung for the Pixel 10. That didn't happen. Google stayed put. Most people assumed the partnership was locked in. End of story. But this time, the leaks didn't fade. They multiplied. And now they have a name attached: MediaTek. According to multiple industry sources, Google is preparing to pair its next Tensor G6 chip with MediaTek's M90 modem for the Pixel 11 series. And this isn't a budget move. The M90 is MediaTek's most aggressive flagship modem ever. Dual 5G active connections, full sub-6 and M-Wave support, peak speeds touching 12 gigabits per second. On paper, this instantly puts Pixel in a class it's never occupied before. But raw speed isn't the real story. The real story is efficiency. MediaTek is pushing AI-driven signal management that actively reduces power draw and heat during real-world use, not lab tests. That matters, because Pixels don't struggle in benchmarks. They struggle in daily life. And then there's the feature that changes the entire conversation. Built-in satellite connectivity. Not as an add-on. Not as a software patch. At the modem level. If Google enables it, the Pixel 11 could stay connected when there is literally no network. Emergency messaging. Remote travel coverage. Situations where your phone becomes a lifeline instead of a liability. Now pause for a second and think about this. A new modem means new thermals, new antenna placement, new internal layout. This isn't a small tweak, it forces a redesign from the inside out, which explains why some insiders are hinting that the Pixel 11 may feel noticeably different in the hand: cooler, more stable, more refined. And suddenly, Google's silence makes sense. While Apple is rolling out its own custom modems, and Samsung still relies heavily on Qualcomm for reliability, Google choosing MediaTek would signal something big: a willingness to break old dependencies. A reset. Possibly the start of a long-term partnership that shapes the next generation of Pixel hardware. The Pixel 11 lineup itself is expected to include the standard model, a Pro XL, and potentially another Fold. But honestly, the model names don't matter this year. Because if this modem switch happens, every single Pixel 11 benefits in a way spec sheets won't fully capture. This could be the first Pixel generation where signal strength isn't a footnote, where battery anxiety during navigation disappears, where Pixel problems quietly stop being a thing people joke about. Nothing here is official. Google hasn't confirmed a single detail. But these aren't random leaks anymore. They're too consistent, too deliberate. And if Google really follows through this time, the Pixel 11 won't be remembered for a feature, it'll be remembered as the turning point. Now I want your honest take. Would better connectivity and battery life change how you feel about Pixels? Or do you think Google should have fixed this years ago? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. And if you want more deep leaks and real talk like this, stay right here. I'll catch you in the next one.